Hello, in this video I'm going to solve the following problem for you. Simplify the following expression as much as possible. 4 over a squared minus b squared minus 2 over ab minus b squared. Pause the video at this point and give it a try. If you do the calculations correctly, the answer will be minus 2 over ab plus b squared. Okay, now we solve the problem. So to simplify this, I have to take the common denominator. To find the common denominator, I need to find the LCD, the least common denominator. So I have to factorize the denominators as much as possible. So I keep the numerator as it is. This is the famous conjugate pattern. So I factorize it as a minus b times a plus b. And here minus, I have 2 over. To factorize this, it is just enough to factor a b out, so it becomes a minus b. And now you see that the factors that are appearing here is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b repeats itself here, and another factor b. So LCD will be the product of all these factors. So I have a factor of b, I have a factor of a minus b, I have a factor of a plus b, that's it. And then I compare this LCD with the denominator of the first one. I can see that I have this extra factor of b. This should be multiplied into the numerator. So this becomes 4b. Then I have minus sign. I will repeat the process. I compare LCD with this denominator. I see that there is only this factor extra. This factor should be multiplied into the numerator. So it becomes 2 times a plus b. And you know that we don't need to open up because I need the factorized form in the denominator, so it is already in the good shape. But for the numerator, I can expand and simplify. So 4b is just 4b. I multiply minus 2a in, so minus 2 in, so it becomes minus 2a minus 2b. But then minus 2a is just alone, but 4b minus 2b is plus 2b. Okay, and then divided by b times a minus b, a plus b. But you shouldn't stop here, because if you see here, I can factor a minus 2 out, and the numerator becomes minus 2, and this one becomes a minus b. You can always double check by multiplying it back, minus 2a plus 2b, so that's correct, and then the denominator is the previous one. And now what happens? This a minus b is a factor of the denominator and a factor of the numerator, so that can be simplified. So what is left is 1 and 1, so it becomes minus 2 times 1 is 2, and then b times a plus b. You can of course stop here, but it is common that when you cannot simplify more, you multiply it back, so it becomes ab plus b squared, and that is the final answer to this problem. So I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.